Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. So this is the last video of our creating REST API with NestJS. So in this video I want to quickly show you how to use the query annotations inside NestJS. So let's get started. So in the last video, as if you remember, we had created this reports, and in that we were passing the price, make, model, year, lat, long, mileage for a particular car. Now I want to get the estimate of a particular car. So here I have created a get API endpoint, and here you can see that we are passing the make, model, year, long, lat as well. And here this is like I haven't added authentication to this, so even if you don't pass the token, that's fine. If you want to pass it, you can do that as well. And if I just click on send, here you can see that it is able to find the price for me. And to do this, I will be specifically using query builders, so that you know how to pass complex queries for your NestJS application as well. So let's get started. So first thing what I have done is that inside our DTOs of report, I have created one more class file called getEstimate.dto.ts, and again same thing which we had previously for create DTO, but only few things has changed. It does not take any price, but it takes a make, model, year, long, lat and mileage, and the annotations are also same. The only annotation extra which I have added is transform. So year would be in form of a number, but while passing in form of query string, it would be in string, so we have to parse it in form of int. Similarly for long, lat and mileage as well, I have done the same thing. Latitude and longitude can be in float, that's why I'm using parse float over here. Then inside reports controller.ts, I have created one more API endpoint, get request. It takes @query annotation. We are passing our DTO, and it basically calls this create estimate method which I have created inside our report service. Now if you go to report service, here you can see inside create estimate, I'm just first of all destructuring all this values which way I have inside get estimate DTO. And the next thing is we call repo dot create query builder. Then we just want the price. Okay, if you want everything, then you can do something like this star, but I only want the average price, so that's how I'm passing it. Then I want to pass the make, I want to pass the model, and for latitude it should be plus minus of whatever you have passed, plus minus 5 of whatever you have passed. Similarly for longitude as well, plus minus of whatever you have passed. For year as well, plus minus 3 of whatever you have passed. And for mileage, I am taking the absolute value, and it should be in descending order. Then I am setting the parameters for mileage. Limit is 3, and I am only getting one value. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.